Welcome to Made Easy School, Chattarpur 2021 for the age group of 6 to 10. So today's activity is extremely fun and exciting for our lovely children. We begin with no fire cooking and we're gonna make Dalgona coffee today. Cooking is not only fun for kids, but it also improves their cognitive skills. Then, children enjoyed watching movie with popcorns and their self-made Dalgona coffee. They also enjoyed playing snakes and ladders with their friends and teachers. Our day was joyful and breathtaking. We all enjoyed it thoroughly.